on the box is this rectangle. Where else? Majo. Okay, this rectangle is the same as which one? Which one? This one? This rectangle is the same as this one?
No.
Which one is this one the same as?
This one and this
Ah, so Zachary had something interesting. Sit down. The rectangles that are opposite each other are the same. This one is the same as this one. This rectangle is the same as this rectangle. And this rectangle is the same as this rectangle. It has crackers.
Just
We're doing math with it. Yes, Majo, what do you have to say?
We can eat the crackers.
Okay, so let's do this one. This rectangle and this rectangle, which line do they share? Who can come up and point? Which line do they share? Fran, come here. Which line?
This one.
Ah, so they both have the same line here. That's the same size. Okay, this rectangle and this rectangle, which line do they share? Anto, come here. Which line? That line. Joaquin Marino. This rectangle and this rectangle, which line do they share? That one. Okay, so we've learned two things. That rectangles are the same if they're opposite each other, and that two rectangles can share a line that's the same length. Now these things are going to be very important to remember when we make boxes today. Let's put the rectangles, remember how the rectangles that were the same were opposite on the box? Can you please make piles of rectangles that are exactly the same? There should be 2 of every rectangle. So first thing we do is we make piles of the rectangles that are the same because they go opposite. Remember how we saw on the box? Okay, good. Now, the second thing we learned today is that some rectangles have the same length sides. So Juanjo, can you find two rectangles that have the same length sides? So take one rectangle from one pile and one from another. They're the same side length. Not the same one, a different one. Yeah, try that one.
Yes.
Which sides are the same? The side of the rectangle.
I know.
Ah, okay. So we found, after we sorted them into the ones that were opposite, we found 2. So what one partner's going to do, how do you make a box, Juanjo? What's the first step to stand it up?